In this video, we will show you how to swap the Titan extruder with the Flexprint on the TRILAB DeltiQ printers. The first step, unload the old material from the Titan extruder. Take out the bowden tube, take out the blue clip from the print head, push down the black collet and remove the tube. Take out the blue clip from the Titan extruder, push down the black collet and remove the tube out. Put the short tube into the print head. Take out these two screws. Put the Flexprint on this short bowden. Put the Flexprint shaft to the guide position. Tighten these two screws. Press the idler of the Flexprint and put the filament into the print head. Swap the extruder in the Delta control application, load the material for the Flexprint, now you are able to print with the Flexprint extruder. It's that simple. Enjoy the print.